welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Chioma asked Davido to intentionally hurt Sophia because she hates her. Lady drops bombshell. The reignited feud between Davido and his first baby mama, Sophia Mamudu, was allegedly fueled by Chioma, Davido's boo, a social media user who seemed to know much about Davido and his inner circles. Disclosed that Chioma intentionally asked Davido to hurt Sophia because she can't stand her at all. Recall that recently Davido shared a photo of himself and Imade Adeleke, his first daughter, as they jet off to Ghana for Afrochella, where Davido performed live. It also emerged that Sophia, who also on the same private jet, coming to Ghana, a photo of which also stormed social media. Davido explained that he flew with Sophia because of his daughter and for the fact that Sophia had a business appointment, probably in Ghana, he decided to bring her along. Sophia fired back at Davido saying she never asked for a lift, and this set the tone for their renewed feud. And that's what this social media lady is saying, that the whole thing was orchestrated by Chioma because she hates Sophia Mamudu. Let me know what you think, guys, in the comment section.